who them youngest see, I'm who they tryna be. And I don't know too many people who be hot as me. Say who be hot as me? I don't know too many people who be hot as me. Say who be hot as me.
What's up, y'all? Okay, so by the title of the video, you really can already see what's going on. You really can already see it. So I'm in here getting ready, right? Cause I'm about to do a prank on Jay and pretend like I'm out acting ratchet. So you know, I got my hair done. Got my little doo-doo braid. Y'all see it, y'all see it. Hair done by me. If you want to get styled, y'all DM me. Mwah. Y'all see the lips, y'all see it, y'all see it. Now let's go out to eat. Alright, y'all, so Jay's been waiting on me for like 30 minutes, right? He been waiting on me for like 30 minutes. But guess what? We don't care. We don't care. You know why? Because I'm the girl. He wait on me. I don't wait on him. Let's go see if he's ready. Come on, y'all. Hold on, y'all know I got the dog. Are you ready to go?
What the fuck?
Are you ready?
What the fuck wrong with you?
What you mean?
Hey, what the heck you got on your face?
Come on. You told me to get my hair done.
What you got on your face, bro?
What you mean what I got on my face?
Like, bro.
What you mean? You said that you wanted to go out to eat. We finna go out to eat.
Nigga, look at your, what's on your lips?
It's lipstick.
Nah, nigga, you need to go do something with your hair, bro. You look crazy.
I already did something with my hair. I'm ready to go. I'm
I got my
hungry.
camera.
I'm ready to go when I'm hungry.
Go where?
Out to eat. Come on.
Who about to go out to eat looking like that?
You, come on.
Bro.
I'm hungry.
Ashley.
Jay.
Bro, hold on. Come here, bro. I'm up. Child, look at this girl, bro.
What do you have to say?
Bro, what's wrong with her?
Felicia cousin.
Bro.
Wow, now I look like Felicia
She talking
cousin.
about she want to go out to eat, bro.
Because we about to go out to
You
eat. So,
got fancy breaks and stuff?
can we go?
Bro, weird.
I'm hungry. You said that we was going out to eat.
Ashley, look at you.
Y'all telling me that I don't look cute?
Hold on, bro. Come here. Come here. We gotta turn the light on. So y'all really look.
You telling me that I don't look cute?
Bro, look at you, bro.
I think I look good. I think I look good.
What is that on your
I got
lip?
my edges done. Let me see.
What's that on your lip?
It's lipstick. You don't like it? Let me go and ask my sister. Cause she gonna say I look good.
But it's gotta be a prank or something, bro. Cause what the fuck that is on her lip? What is that on your lip?
I just told you it's lipstick. If I gotta tell you again, I'm not gonna take it off. So he telling me that I don't look good.
Bro, don't lie to her.
You think I look cute? Don't lie to
Bro,
me.
don't
either.
lie to her, yo.
I'm
Tell her-
cute,
tell
ain't
her the
it?
truth, bro. How she
I'm
look?
cute, ain't it? I look cute, don't it?
Bro, for real, tell her the truth.
Do I look cute? Yes.
What? Bro, I don't know what's going on. Here, you and vlogging.
I look cute, y'all. Can we go? I don't know. Can we please go? I'm hungry.
Go where?
You just said that we was going to get something to eat. You told me to get ready.
Alright, you wanna go out like that?
Come on, I'm hungry.
Hey, you fine with this shit, hey, come on, Duchess. Come on.
I don't know where we're going to eat at, y'all, but we finna go eat because I'm hungry. He told me to get ready, so I got fucking
About to
ready.
go out the house like that.
Boy, if you gotta ask me one more damn time.
Go.
Anyways. You ready?
I never knew what they
Is you ready?
Lock the door. Yes, I've been
What is
ready.
that on your lip, though?
Y'all, he keep on asking me the same question, and I'm getting over it. Okay,
So like, what's that YouTube life like? Like,
it's good. I like it. I be having fun. So we're going to Chili's, right? We're going to Chili's. How do you feel?
Hey, see this car right here?
I don't care about that car.
Boy, if you don't.
So we're going to Chili's, y'all, and I think Cause I don't know.
Smacking that gum so hard.
I don't know. I gotta get the flavor. It's real good. I think it's called Tropical Twist. You want a piece?
Already got one.
You don't like it?
Straight. Nigga.
Anyway, y'all. I think you got attitude.
I don't got no attitude. I'm trying to figure out why you put all that shit on your lips. You still ain't telling people what it is. You know what it is?
It's lipstick.
Nah, it ain't no lipstick. You look crazy, bro. Hey, you wanted to come outside like that, so that's on you. I ain't tripping. I'm trying to figure out why you want to go out and get some food.
So,
You ain't even bother doing your hair.
I think I wanna. I did do my hair.
That is not.
You don't see this braid?
That is not how you.
You don't see this braid? I did my hair.
You tripping, bro.
I did my hair, y'all. I don't know what he's talking about, but I did my hair. So, I think these people gonna look at me like I'm crazy. Like, what is this bitch doing? Like, but guess what?
Keep smacking the gum.
I mean, it tastes good. You don't think it tastes good? I didn't even take it up. See, he said I didn't do my hair. Look at my edges. My edges is done. I did my damn hair. And I took my time braiding it. Like, it's still, like, he don't even appreciate the braid or nothing. Like, what the fuck?
Shawty, you don't look like you took your time. Actually, you look like you just
First
twisted
of
it
all,
and put it in a
it's not even a
rubber
twist.
band.
It's a braid. And it's not a rubber band. It's a hair tie.
Let me see.
See? It's a
You
braid.
did not take. Look at the end of it. Look at the back of
First,
your hair.
see? He don't even
Look at the
appreciate
top.
what's done. He don't appreciate
You
what's
got a
done.
half a bun in the back, bro. These people
You know
about to look at you like
what?
you crazy, bro.
You know what?
They about to look at you like you crazy for real. That's what they about to do. They about
So
to be
you
like,
think I look crazy?
bro, you look, bro, look.
Anyways,
Bro,
I don't
you
really
ever
care about what
seen-
you got. I don't care.
No.
I think I look cute.
No, what's the name of that movie? Home Alone. You ever watch Home Alone? You know that lady who was talking to
See,
him?
he's trying to be
with the
funny.
birds? That's how you look. I'm
Oh, you're
being
trying to be
real.
funny, okay.
I'm being dead ass. You
Okay,
got all that shit
okay.
on your lip. Like, you got like, bro, I
Okay.
don't know why you picked today to want to look crazy. Like, you look
What's
ratchet. You look ratchet as hell.
so you wanted me to pick tomorrow? I look ratchet.
What you look ratchet as fuck? Like, you heard what Josh said? Josh said you like.
He's very rude, y'all.
Rude? Nigga, you rude. You the one came out the house looking like that. You are rude. Look at your hair.
You came out the house
rude.
with me.
You disrespect me. Talking about rude.
You came out the house with me, did you not? Yes, the
But I
fuck you
told
did.
I said, are you gonna
Okay,
wear
but
that?
I told you this is what I want to wear.
Well,
So who's being rude?
I mean, I ain't finna
Who's
make you
being
go in there.
rude?
I'm not
Who's
finna make
being
I
rude?
wasn't finna make you.
Okay, but
I wasn't finna make you go in there
Who's
and tan.
being rude?
That's your problem. You wanna come outside like that and look stupid.
Why
That's
is you
you.
yelling at me, y'all?
Like a damn clown.
Why is
And you
oh,
got
now I
what's
look
all that
like
white
a
stuff?
clown.
You got white stuff all in the back of your
Now I
head.
look like a clown.
Like I said, they gonna be looking at you. That's not
You
me. I
what?
don't care.
See?
That's you wanna look stupid on camera.
Okay.
That's you.
Okay.
You can go outside all day and look
Okay.
crazy. That's on you.
Okay.
You feel me?
Okay.
I'm not finna make you go
And you
in
be
room
looking
and
crazy too. So what are you saying?
I promise you. I promise
So what are you
bro.
saying?
Bro,
What are you
look
saying?
how you
What are you
look.
saying? What are you saying? I think he got some built up animosity, y'all. What y'all think? I think he do.
You really finna go to this place and then you finna go, bro. Are these people, bro?
Are you embarrassed?
I'm
You
not- I'm
you
not
embarrassed by me?
I'm not embarrassed. Bro.
Okay, so why do you
Listen,
care
better
about what
smoke
these
with it.
people look?
I'm just saying for your appearance, you finna go inside. You
Okay,
finna go
I
inside
don't
too
care.
and look crazy.
We both know I be looking good, so.
They don't, bro. I'm just saying. I'm
I
talking
know.
about you out right here in public, bro.
Okay,
You
so go back home.
I'm not finna turn around. We was already gone. That's why I asked
Okay.
you to change before we get to the house. Like before we leave out. Like you wanna, bro. That's what, bro. I ain't tripping, bro.
My head itch.
It's probably because you got all that fucking gel in your hair, bro. That's why the fucking itch. All that shit in the back of your shit, look, bro.
Make my hair hurt, y'all. I'll be back. Hold on. No, I gotta get out the car. Y'all, this is so embarrassing. Oh shit. Like, I really look crazy as hell right now. So, I don't think he want to get out the car. Why y'all want to get out the car?
Just go in there and see if they got any spot.
Why y'all want to get out the car?
Go in there and see these people. Just go in there. Just go in there and see if they got any spots open.
So you're not gonna come with me?
I'm not come on. I'm just waiting. I'm trying to see who all about. Let's go. But look, just go in there and see if they got a spot.
No, I want to walk in there with you.
We gonna go. Just go see if they got anything available. Ashley, come on, dude.
Come on.
I'm about to come and see if they got
Come
anything open.
on.
But Ashley, go in there and see if they got.
Jay, get out the car. So you don't want to walk in with me?
Just go in there and see.
Get out the car. So you really not gonna get out?
I'm not gonna go in there.
So we leaving? Okay, so get out of the car. I guess we just gonna sit here all day, huh?
Bro, Ashley, go in there and see, bro. Come on, somebody call me.
Why you walking fast? Y'all, he ran to the door, okay? He ran to the door. He ran, okay?
Felt like you ain't wanted to come in.
You didn't, obviously.
Oh, good. It's not a lot of people here.
Okay, great.
But we gotta get somewhere to cut, like where nobody can see us, nobody see nothing. You got stuff all under your lip.
Why is my phone? Sorry, I got stuff on my lip. It's okay.
She even said, what happened to your hair bow? Exactly, what happened to your hair bow, Ashley? Come out here looking crazy. You she look crazy?
No. Is this part of a video? Or
I don't know
YouTube?
what she got going on, bro. She wanna come outside looking like Halloween or something.
You don't think I look cute?
I mean,
She come out the bathroom just like that, talking about something.
I like her
Get some
outfit.
food.
Oh, thank you.
I'm like, the hair is different. I'm not gonna say it's bad, just different.
See? I told you. Listen, y'all. Listen, y'all. He don't know nothing about style, okay? He don't. Alright, y'all. I mean, I don't really know what I want. What you want?
Well, you still got that gun.
You know what you want? I don't
I
know.
get a margarita.
You want a margarita. You want one of these.
I don't know what food I want.
Oh, that look good. What you getting? Oh, I'm so sorry. What you getting? Which one you getting? Let me see.
I'm gonna get the coconut one.
Are you gonna get this one?
Yeah.
You wanna get that one? I think I'm gonna need that. There you go. Which one y'all think I should get? I think this one. This one cute. What?
Like, bro, they gonna kick this out because they're acting crazy around these white folks, bro.
What?
They gonna kick it out because they're acting crazy.
I can't hear you. Why are you whispering?
See these white people acting crazy.
See the what?
They gonna kick us out.
What you talking about? Yeah, bro. Anyway, y'all. Y'all help me figure out what I want. Because I don't even know what I want.
I think I might get this, bro. I might pick 3.
What you might get?
Damn,
Let me see.
bro. I might pick 3. Hey, these good? These sliders?
Yeah, those are the Big Mouth bites. They got
Yeah, he got a real
bacon,
big mouth.
ranch, onion, cheese on them.
Yeah.
Big. She don't care what you want.
Yeah, triple dipper.
She don't care what you want.
And
Anyway, so what I want is, can I get
let me get the 2 of those.
can I hush?
Hold on, and the honey chipotle chicken.
Please.
And the burger bites,
Oh, they burger bites too?
you get 3. Triple dipper, so you get choose 3. For me, it's like this is the triple dipper right here.
Yeah. So do you get 1 of those or you get 2 of those?
You get 2. 2 come with it.
Oh, so yeah, 1 of those.
I'm sorry, he's slow.
My fault. I ain't even know.
Now you
The honey chipotle
get
chicken
drink.
casper,
crispy.
crispy, and boneless wings. What type of boneless wings I got?
We got
Y'all know the vibes. She still said I'm cute. So who really gives a fuck?
Man, nobody, man.
Who really gives a fuck?
Nobody, man. Like, why you acting
First
like
of
that?
all, why are you acting like that?
Look at these white people, bro. You see how civilized they look over there? Look at you.
Oh, because now he's saying that I don't fucking act civilized, like I won't make a fucking scene in this shit. So, anyways, my head's still itching, y'all.
Every time you say something, that lady look over here.
Anyways, this is real fucking good.
Why is
I
you
like
cursing
it.
so loud?
What'd you say? You say you want me to get louder?
I said, why is you cursing so
You say get loud.
Why are you cursing so loud? Like,
You say get loud.
oh,
That's what you said? Because I really don't care. To be honest with you. To be fucking honest. I'ma sip my fucking margarita right here.
look at that lady. Look. She turned her ear because she was trying to listen more to what she was saying. Why are you so loud?
Oh, you want me to calm down?
Oh, look, we get it.
Okay. You too shit.
I really don't even need this. Nino.
Yes, you do. Do you not want to be out with me right now?
I don't know what's the point of this video, bro, but your ass tripping.
Anyways, y'all. See, he always saying that I'm fucking tripping. Alright, y'all. Y'all already know that we got the motherfucking food. What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got?
Listen, man,
We don't
we
give
got
a fuck. Anyways, y'all. So,
Damn.
yeah.
Let me tell about my food though, for real.
We don't really give a fuck about his food. Anyways, y'all. I'm finna bust down on these fucking ribs. I'm finna bust down on the ribs.
We got the barbecue chicken wings. We got the barbecue tenders. Wait, all these tenders. Damn, I thought they was crispy. I thought it was a sandwich though. But then we got the little burger. It's like little sliders. You feel me? What you got over there? You got the
You know, I got the honey barbecue ribs with the french fries and the Mexican corn and the motherfucking little
You know what I
potato.
thought? All Mexican corn look alike. You ain't never thought about that?
Yes, they all do look alike. Because guess the fuck what? They're all the fucking same.
That's important. Oh damn, I can't even put so much story, bro.
Have you tasted your food yet? Do you like it?
I ain't tasted it.
Well, maybe you should. This guy is so crispy.
Man, look, since I was rudely interrupted, you feel me? I'm finna show y'all my food, you feel me? I got the sliders, you know what I'm saying? I got, bro, what? Bro, see, I don't dig your food. Why you taking my food, bro? Alright, look at, look, I got the sliders, you feel me? Got the tenders and the boneless barbecue wings. Bro, chill out, chill out, chill out. You doing too much, bro. Like, for real. Like, I'm gonna make your video even litter than what you think it is, cause your ass tripping. Look how you look. Bro, look how you look. What? Look how you look, bro. Look how you eating. You happy with this?
If I wasn't, I wouldn't do it now, would I?
Bro, just, you might well, act as though, you might well just lick all that shit off your lips, for real, for real. Stop digging in my food. What is wrong with you? You done lost your rabbit ass mind. I'm finna fuck this food up, man. I'm gonna talk to y'all later, bro. Yo.
It's so good.
Hey, look. I apologize for how she acting. But,
I need the waitress.
if you watching this right for what?
Because I need another fucking drink.
Why you keep cussing, bro?
Now.
Hey, listen. What we finna do is, damn, I gotta hit up Walmart. You trying to stay in the car?
You want me to stay in the car?
Why you go to Walmart? You like that though? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you say?
I think it's a 10.
A 10?
It's so good.
Hey, listen, if you watching the video up to this point, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button, man. Drop a comment down below, man. I don't know what video this is. She still ain't telling me. But look at this girl, bro. Look at this girl, bro. Why is you eating like that, yo? Anywho, man, listen. I give my food overall a 9 out of 10. Oh, you tripping? Trying to take all my bonus shit away.
You better not touch shit when we come in here either.
No, you better not.
No, you better not touch not a damn thing. Or else when we get home, I'ma beat your ass. You understand? Do we have an understanding?
Ashley,
Jay,
I need you to understand.
I need you to understand
That's
that if we come in this store, and you start touching shit, I'ma whoop you.
Whoop.
You. I'ma bend you over my legs and whoop you. Like your daddy should've.
Yeah, you done lost your rabbit ass mind for real. That is a nice truck for real. No
That is a nice truck for real. We're on the phone. But anyways, going
I didn't get it.
she gotta bring it to the self checkout. Cause you know they think that we just gonna be stealing. I do sometimes, but don't tell nobody. Listen, look at how you look. Listen, look at how you look. You think that he'll be stealing.
Look.
Anyways, I need a new pair of shoes, y'all. I need a new pair of shoes. Which one y'all think I should get? Y'all think I would rock those ones?
You was stealing because it's a little crazy, but look,
Anyway, see. I don't know what we gotta do, but you know, fuck these boxes. Oh shit, there's something in there.
Bro, let me.
Did you like our date that we went on?
It was cool, bro. Your ass look crazy though. Bro, look at her. How y'all feel about her fit? We gonna get on the shoes though. And them ashy ass ankles she got, you feel me? Then we gonna work our way up to the little crop top she got on. Turn around. She got her little purse. Where you going? The TV's over here.
Mind your business.
Yeah, you don't lost your mind. Shorty came to Walmart just to walk around. She ain't need to come to Walmart to get nothing. I'm gonna check these TVs out though. Cause dude tried to lie to me. Dude tried to sell me a 65 inch for $500, bro. What the fuck? They not even going for 500. Look, this shit not even going for 500, bro. Look, 65, 398, bro. You trying to play with my intelligence? Nigga, 75, 598, bro. You selling me the price 500. Now I can see you doing 500 for the 75. Bro, try to sell me a 65. Like, wait, bro. Wait. Try to sell me a 65 for 500. That's why I had to come to Walmart to see if he was really. I had to look online. It really did say 3 something.
So bad.
You got what?
I have to tinkle.
Alright, why you in there clean all that? Oh, you know what I'm saying? You look a little fool.
I'm really about to make.
Man, clean it up, bro. Like,
I'm really about to make.
I'm just playing. Look. Alright, so look. I'm trying to find.
Because what I'm about to do.
Hey,
You feel
come
me?
get this girl.
You feel me?
She crazy.
You feel me?
She crazy, bro.
Do you feel me though?
Bro, you got people looking and shit.
For real.
Hey, come get this crazy girl. Hey, come get this girl. Hold on, where you going? The restroom right here.
I'm wondering you about to hear. I got a shit.
What?
I got a dookie.
Ashley. Why is you walking like that, bro? Look. Yo, you finna take your at home, man. Hey, listen, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, man. If y'all want to see Ashley,
We're gonna be back with another banger.
if y'all want to see Ashley look crazy some more, man, smash the like button right now, man. Get this video like 50 likes, for real. We're gonna do a part 2, but Ashley gonna have to go home and take a shower because she smell like onions. But we gonna see what it is. I'm just
You got me.
So we want to tell her what? Just film my wee. What you want to tell them, man?
More videos coming, y'all. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, put the ringer on.
Hey, excuse me.
She's on the phone.
No, I wasn't talking about her.
Stop being rude.
I was talking about her. Hey, you think she look
Man,
good?
shut the hell up.
Or you think?
Yeah.
Alright. So that's how we gonna end the video, man. Smash the like button.